Simple Cyber Defense Weekly Update for February 1st, 2020. Welcome back to the Simple Cyber Defense podcast. Today is February 2nd, 2020. This week we're going to talk about two data exposures, one involving Microsoft and the other a popular dating app called Tinder. So let's begin. Recently, Microsoft has been in the news for data exposure of customer support database that contained logs of conversation between Microsoft support agents and customers all over the world. Nearly 250 million records were leaked, and the leaked account info ranged from 14 years period between 2005 and December 2019-2020. All the exposed data was accessible by anyone by just having a web browser. No username and password was required. The following are details that were exposed: customer email address, IP addresses, location, descriptions of CSS claims and cases, Microsoft support agent emails, case numbers, resolutions, and marks, and international notes marked as confidential. So what does this mean? That means that a lot of Microsoft data is out there, and people can use this for different reasons, mostly for scamming campaigns that will make their phishing attempts look legitimately from Microsoft. So if you have had Microsoft products in the past, be lookout for possible phishing attempts. The biggest thing to do here is to think before you click on any links and emails, even if it does look like it's from Microsoft. The best thing to do is to go directly to Microsoft's website and to see if the email really does correspond to what Microsoft has sent. So next up is the data exposure through the Tinder app. A researcher discovered thousands of Tinder users' images publicly available for free online. Aaron D. Vera, a cybersecurity researcher who works with a cybersecurity company, White Ops, and also for the NYC Cyber Sexual Assault Task Force, uncovered a collection of over 70,000 photographs harvested from the dating app Tinder on several undisclosed websites. Contrary to what some press have been reported, the images are available for free rather than for sale. So what exactly is going on here? What seems to be going on is the images are being used for probably what's known as catfishing attempts, where people will pretend to be someone else and lure unsuspecting people into such dating apps to get exchanges for personal identifiable information or even money. Many times these scams are used to steal identities from other people so that they can build up a lot of debt on someone else's name. So what can be done to prevent this from happening? If your images are out there, most likely there's nothing you can do to stop it. If you suspect someone from catfishing you, the best thing to do is to do a reverse image search and see if that person really is who they say they are, or if that image pops up with other people's names. And also, don't really give money to people you don't know. The best thing to do is, before you post anything online, is to think about it before you post it. Do you really want that image to be out there in the World Wide Web? Even if you do put it as private, just view it as public knowledge, because most likely someone will find a way to get that image or text or whatever and post it online for everyone to see. This concludes this week's cybersecurity updates. Hopefully you will stay safe, and we'll see you next week.
If you like what was in this episode, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing with others.
For more information, to suggest a topic, or to donate, head over to simplecyberdefense.com.